Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix optics in the Lightroom app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Lightroom app. And here in the Lightroom app, it opens up in the gallery. From the gallery we have to select a picture that we want to edit. Let's say it's this one. We tap on the picture, and after it loads, from the bottom bar, we have to select optics. Here it's a little lens. And here we have two options, two things that we can do. We can enable lens corrections. If we tap on this, then it's going to correct the mistakes that the lens is making by itself. So different distortions that might happen. We can select the model with which we created the image. So let's say it was a Samsung phone with which I made this picture. It's going to recognize the camera, and then if we tap OK, it's going to fix the problems. Here there wasn't so much, so it's pretty natural, but you can see here. This is the after. And then we can remove chromatic aberration. That's the same thing, just errors that the lens makes with colors. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.